Hello viewer, in this video I will discuss about the SVG circle, how you can draw the SVG circle. The CX circle X coordinate of a center of a circle is used. Default is 0. Similarly, CY is used to YX coordinate of the center of the circle and R the radius of the circle. Here I will example of circle. Circle tag is used to draw the circle. Similarly, Cx is equal to x coordinate, Cy is equal to y coordinate, and R is equal to length of the radius. So now I draw it with practical examples. So I am going to my project folder. Here I will create a new document, circle.html, and I open it with Sublime Text and create the HTML document. And here SVG circle, and body I use the SVG tag to draw the SVG. Similarly, the close take the SVG. Here I will use the circle 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 and close it here. Here I will use CX for CX coordinate and CY for CY coordinate, and R for radius of the circle. Control S to save and open in browser. So you will see here a circle is drawn. You can also change the CX and CY coordinate to draw the perfect circle. Okay, you can set radius and this to same value to draw the perfect circle. So you will see here is a perfect circle. You can also change the color of your circle. Control is to save, reload. So you will see the circle color is changed. You can also change the size of your circle. Control S to save and reload. So this is the circle drawn in HTML SVG. So in next video I will draw and polygon. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel.